Do you guys remember the Lego keyboard build? Well, the makers of that keyboard, KBD Craft, are back with another one, the Lilith, and today we're going to be putting it together. So here's everything that you get included in the box. So first of all, we can install our stabilizers, and then we can put together the PCB foam and plate assembly, and hold it all together with the S-squared engine switches. Now all of that's together, it's time for the most fun part, building the Lego case. And the final job is to throw on the keycaps. And there we go, the Lilith keyboard is now fully assembled and is looking and sounding fantastic. And honestly, these Lego builds have been some of my